I got tons of room. Like, I'm gonna airtime this up. Like,
All right. Do you have it?
yep. Go ahead, man. I got tons of air.
Ready. All clear. Everybody sit up straight.
What is up, guys? This is Dan, and we have Tony here, and we are from Midway Mayhem, and we are literally about to do Twisted Timbers here at King's Dominion right now. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's a beautiful layout too. You can see a lot of the park. Here we go, we're at the top. Woo! Woo! Oh man. Woo! Yeah! Woo! That's a good. Wow! Woo! Wow, good ejector. That's awesome. Woo! That's so awesome! Woo-hoo! Oh man, good airtime. There, and everywhere. Woo! Oh, good transitions. Woo! Wow! That is so cool. And more airtime up until the very end. Wow! Really good. That was really phenomenal. Tell me honestly, what do you think?
So much airtime. I really like it. Super smooth.
Yeah.
Really smooth. This is rewritable.
Rewritable, smooth, and right now it's cold, so you got to take that into effect. I mean, it's going to be different on a 92-degree day. We're getting ejector airtime, and it's 40-something degrees. So I can only imagine once this thing finally breaks in. That is phenomenal. Scale 1 to 10. That's a 10.
Oh, yeah.
That's easily a 10. That was good, man.
Definitely.
Wow. That was good.